are still watching This Morning on ITV, it's that time where we discuss Star Times. Star Times has been giving away a lot of prizes, a lot of giveaways, a lot of freebies. And, well, let me not be the spoiler today.
Okay.
I am in the studio today with the Assistant Zonal Marketing Manager of Star Times. She is Stephanie Akamos. Thank you for coming on the program.
Thank you so much.
You look so cute today.
Thank you very much. It's always a pleasure to be on your show.
Yeah, welcome. So what's happening? Great news, Europa League. What's that?
Yes, there's always something exciting happening on the Star Times platform.
Okay.
And Star Times has an amazing gift for our subscribers. I call it a gift because it's something I know people, lovers of football, really love. And Star Times has acquired the broadcasting rights exclusively for the UEFA Europa League.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you're a football fan, but this is really...
Exactly.
Okay.
Except it's the World Cup where we'll be participating. At the moment we are out and out as well.
Okay, so the UEFA Europa League is a huge deal in the football world for football lovers, and Star Times is giving our subscribers this opportunity or this gift to experience this amazing tournament on the Star Times platform. This is just to say thank you to our loyal subscribers that have decided to stick with us throughout the way. Now, you can have access to this tournament on our football channels, which we have a couple, or not a couple, actually a lot, ranging from 6 sports channels: World Football, Sports Focus, Sports Premium. So you can have access to the UEFA Europa League on the Star Times platform. And Star Times is not only giving you this opportunity to watch it on the Star Times, this tournament on the Star Times platform. You can also watch it with the Star Times mobile app once you own an Android or an Apple phone. Yeah, so this is really, really great news. And I know a lot of Arsenal fans or Chelsea fans must have been wondering where they would be able to watch the matches, but I'm so happy to say that today, which is Thursday, you're going to have access to these matches on the Star Times platform, on the Star Times mobile app.
So, that's really good. I think I have to download that app. You've been talking about it so much. I have to just download it so that, like you say, when I'm taking a drink somewhere, I can always...
Yes.
Okay, so the classic reloaded, when something's reloaded, I just trying to imagine what it
Yes, the Classic Reloaded promo is actually a promo that Star Times has come up with to give our subscribers access to all of our premium channels for just 1,900 naira. I always tell you that, like to tell people that Star Times is a company that looks beyond profit, and we put in a lot of considerations, we put in a lot of thought into our promos. And as we all know, things aren't always easy these days with the financial crisis and the economical situations, but Star Times doesn't want you to miss out on good entertainment. Yes. So Star Times, we made a downward review of the Classic Bouquet, which is the highest bouquet on the Artana platform. Now, the Classic Bouquet is actually a 2,600 naira plan, but Star Times decided to make a downward review to give our subscribers an opportunity to enjoy all our premium channels for 1,900 naira for 2 months. Yes, the promo started on September 1st and is going to end on October 31st. And that's why I brought this roll-up banner into the studio today. As you can see, Drama has a new home on the Star Times platform. And you know, with the Classic Reloaded, Star Times actually added more premium channels to its Classic Bouquet, which is a place of Ebony Live TV. We have Fox. Ebony Live TV is actually a Nollywood premium channel that showcases all this Nollywood entertainment. We also have telenovelas, and we have talk shows on this TV channel. And for Fox, Fox is actually a Hollywood TV series channel. For ST Nollywood Plus, Star Times is the only place that you can find the ST Nollywood Plus, which is exclusive. Yes, it's exclusive on the Star Times platform. We also have Discovery Family. Discovery Family is actually an educative family-friendly channel that you can get to enjoy all kinds of games, entertainment, talk shows, and all that, which came on board on September 1st. Now I can see these are really exciting. These are pictures from exciting TV shows that you find on these channels. And for the first three on your left is actually a picture from a movie called 50. 50 is actually called 50 on the Ebony Live TV. Yes, it's called 50.
Okay, maybe like 50 people who are 50 and above, kind of.
Yeah, this actually is a romantic movie. It shows the pivotal lives of 4 women. Actually, we captured 3 in this picture, and it just captures their life story and what they were going through. It's actually one of the highest, it's actually the highest grossing movie in Nigeria film industry.
You don't mean it?
Yes, it is. Yes, it was really a huge deal when it came out. So you can have access to this on Ebony Live TV. And the beautiful lady sitting on the chair with her crossed legs is actually from Empire.
Wow.
Now, Empire is such a very huge musical TV series and channel, which you can find on the Fox channel. Is actually going to premiere a new season on September 27th. And I know you know RMD is really, really popular on Nollywood. And this video is actually from his TV legal drama TV series on Ebony Life. It's called Castle and Castle. It's the first Nigerian legal series drama, and it shows on Ebony Life TV. So these are just, it's really, really amazing. You can see the price from down below, where we have the price slash from 2,600 to 1,900 to October 31st.
Oh, why can't you extend it?
No, that's actually a very good deal, because you can, even with the price of 2,600, I still think and feel that we're actually getting a very good deal because of the volume of premium channels that are on this bouquet.
Oh, okay. So I'll just get to enjoy this one at least while it lasts.
Yes, of course.
Okay, so we have what other programs showing this week?
Yes, we always have lots of exciting programs on the StarTimes platform, which covers from different genres. We have entertainment, we have sports, we have music, we have religious programs, we have channels dedicated to children. And for this week, we have an exciting show on Star Plus. Now, I always tell people that if you're a Bollywood fan, StarTimes is the best platform to be in, because StarTimes has a wide range of Bollywood channels that are, like I said before, that are dubbed in Yoruba. You can actually watch Hindu movies in Yoruba and in Hausa on the StarTimes platform. And for Star Plus, we have an amazing TV series called Ganga, showing on our platform. Actually airs from Mondays to Fridays. The story follows the story of a young and child widow and her struggles. It's really, really interesting. Then from Ebony Life, which is the Ebony Life TV channel, we have an amazing TV series called The Governor. It follows the story of a state who lost its governor, and they have a contender who is actually a woman. So it's really, really interesting. You can catch The Governor on Ebony Life TV. And for Fox, we have a science fiction movie TV series showing on Fox. It's called Wayward Pines. It's actually a story, it's actually a science and fiction. There's lots of horror and thriller if you're into that sort of thing. It's really, really interesting. And for our ST Nollywood E+, yes, I know how the ladies love the telenovelas, and we have an exciting telenovela series on this channel. It's called Wildflower. It's a story about revenge. It's really, really interesting. It has been airing for a while now, and we also introduced a new one called In Love with Ramu. It's really interesting. The story follows the story about some children who lost their parents when they were quite young, and that's really interesting. We also have an amazing movie showing on AMC. It's called Trials of Ego. It follows the story of a young man who who went to jail. He was accused of killing his wife's lover, and he went to jail, and he served his time and is out now. So he's just trying to pick up his life where he left, to get to find his family members, to get some closure on some things. So StarTimes always have lots and lots of interesting programs lined up for you. For the children, we have lots and lots of wide range of children's channels, ranging from Nickelodeon. I know it's a favorite of a lot of people and it's popular. We have Pop, we have Baby TV, and we have Da Vinci. We have for people that are into documentaries, we have an interesting documentary series. It's called Investigative and Discovery Channel. It shows stories about murder cases, people that were killed, or some strange things that happen in the society. Really follows. It's really an eye-opener. I always tell people that I always wanted to live abroad until I started watching Investigative Discoveries. It really shows you how...
I used to get scared. You know, initially when I started watching CI,
yes.
Yeah, so I like, so it can happen somebody, so when I see people and I just get suspicious that, okay, this person might do this and all of that.
Yes.
Okay, so there's what is the one on Saturday?
It's called Investigative Discovery.
Okay.
Like, it just is an eye-opener for you. Like, when you watch, there's some stories that you watch on this channel and you're like, do I really want to live abroad? Because there's some really crazy things that happen abroad.
I have to stop watching because when I travel, I get scared. Anybody I see coming close to me is like, maybe the person is holding
so that makes you paranoid. Yes, I understand the feeling.
But I would like to see how that one, one on StarTimes look like. So what are the products?
I always tell people you can't get good entertainment without having a StarTimes box or a StarTimes TV at home. And for our decoder sets, we have 3 kinds of decoders, from the standard definition decoder, which is going for as low as 10,000 and 10,900 naira. It comes with an antenna, 10 meters cable, and 2 months free subscription on the antenna bouquet. For the higher definition decoder, which is going for as low as 11,900 naira, comes with an antenna, 10 meters cable, and 2 months free subscription on the antenna bouquet for the combo decoder. The combo. Yeah, I always tell people that the StarTimes combo decoder is my favorite decoder, and you can never go wrong with this decoder.
I don't like those decoders that they look so.
Yes, they're really.
They're really attractive, and you're just like, what's this?
They're really attractive. They actually don't look like a decoder, because it's really, what I like about StarTimes is that they always put in aesthetics when they're making their products. They always come out beautiful and attractive, and you know, it's really possible. You can just put it in your bag whenever you and you're on the go. And with the combo decoder, it's a decoder that actually uses an antenna and a dish, and it's going for 12,900 naira. It comes in an antenna, a dish, and 2 months free subscription on the Super Bouquet or on the Classic Bouquet. Now for the StarTimes Real Digital TVs, we have them in different sizes, ranging from the 24 inches, which is going for as low as 49,900 naira, and the 32 inches going for 66,900 naira. The 43 inches going for 119,900 naira, and the 55 inches, yes, I always like that look whenever I measure the 55 inches TV. It's actually a smart TV.
You're going to bring it here so I can see it and then maybe make my choice.
Yes. So the StarTimes 55-inch smart TV is going for 299,900 naira, and is worth every penny. These TVs are different from every other TV you see in town. They come with a decoder integrated in them. They come with an inbuilt decoder, the StarTimes inbuilt decoder. They also attract free-to-air channels, and it has a very good warranty plan. So you can pick up these decoders at any of our business halls or our shops or outlets or any StarTimes dealer partners, yes, to purchase the StarTimes decoder. And StarTimes is actually creating more avenues to allow our subscribers or new users or Nigerians out there to purchase the StarTimes decoder. Is actually gone in partnership with some microfinance bank, the NPF Microfinance Bank and Lapo Microfinance Bank. If you're a customer of these banks, or even if you're not a customer, you can walk into any of these banks and ask for a StarTimes TV. Their payment plans are really flexible. They have this payment installment plan that is really flexible, and it wouldn't put a lot of strain on you to get this TV set. So please visit any of these microfinance banks and pick up the StarTimes TV.
But before I pick the StarTimes TV, where can I go? Can I come to your office, maybe to look at them?
Yes, you can. You can always visit our office. We have.
That is where they have the TV.
Yes, we have TV sets in our office. We have an office at Wuse 2 off Aminu Kano Crescent. We also have an office opposite Blue, that's at the Blue Junction, that's the Star Times Assorted Business Hall. Yes, close to good, that's still Wuse 2. We also have an office at Area 11, and by NT is actually opposite Aegis, just beside FCDA. We have an office at Karu, at Maraba. We have different dealer outlets that you can pick up a Star Times product, be it a TV or a Star Times decoder.
Okay, so your last words?
My last words is that Star Times has lots and lots of amazing packages and entertainment channels to offer to you. Star Times is where you really want to be if you are to enjoy digital life. I always tell people that one of Star Times' mission was to give our subscribers or to give Nigerians an opportunity to enjoy affordable digital pay TV. The point is to make every home in Nigeria to afford the digital pay TV. You know, in those days, I remember when I was growing up, you had to be wealthy for you to enjoy digital TV. But Star Times
met when there was color. So when you say in those days, I can just imagine in those days. Look at me.
Yes, growing up, it's been a couple of years, a lot of years actually, and you had to be wealthy for you to be able to enjoy digital pay TV. But Star Times has brought this to the comfort of your home. And I always tell people that it's not just a company that looks out for profits. It actually looks out to give our subscribers the best. We always have the best interest of our subscribers when we make some decisions or when we come up with promos or offers. And now you have the UEFA Europa League, something exciting to look out for on the Star Times platform. We have lots and lots of matches, actually 12 matches airing today on the Star Times platform. That's from the UEFA Europa League. And Arsenal is playing today, Chelsea is playing today. And so you have lots and lots of things to look out
miss
for.
Out on that one.
Yes, and please don't miss out on the Classic Reloaded promo. It's going to end on the 31st of October. So it's time for you to visit us, to catch it, because drama has a new home on the Star Times platform.
Okay, so before I let you go, is the decoder swap still on?
The decoder swap is still on. If you haven't swapped your decoder, the signal has been taken off, the transmitter has been shut down actually. So if you own a T1 decoder at home, possibly you are not watching anything and you're really missing out on what we have to offer on our platform. Now for a fee of 3,600 Naira, you can swap your T1 decoder, which is actually what the old decoder is called, to the T2 decoder. Now the T2 decoder offers you better signal coverage. You have access to more HD channels. It gives you better picture quality. You have access to better sound quality. And for just 3,600 Naira, you're going to get a brand new decoder and 1 month free access for the Classic decoder.
All the freebies.
Yes, there's always something free on the Star Times platform.
So that's why I like Star Times, because all the freebies, all the time. So, and she is always here to tell us about them. We're talking Star Times. And I have been here with the Assistant Zonal Marketing Manager for Star Times. So I will advise that you go there and see how you can enjoy the digital life. Yes. Thank you for coming on the program.
Thank you so much. It's always a pleasure to be on the show.
We'll take a short break now, and when we come back, the program continues.
Have you been thinking of how to get your goods and services or events advertised at affordable rates? Think no more. ITV Abuja, located in Mpape, is poised to serve you better. For advert placements and inquiries, visit ITV Mpape Abuja or call 0706 715 7865, 0803 775 5024, or 0803 539 7151. Independent television, certainly the best.